So I'm figuring out there's some tools that I am going to use way more than others, like extrude. There's no hotkey. Well, like when I first installed Maya, there's no hotkey or a shortcut key for extrude. So I was like, okay, how do I make this process faster, right? So you go up here to Windows and system or settings slash preferences and hotkey editor, right? And it'll open up like all of the these hotkey things, and then in this little search by thing, I do it's in application commands and type in extrude, right? I already set it to Z because Z Control Z is undo by default, and for some reason Maya has regular Z also as undo. So you have two undo. So I just changed this to Z for extrude and save and close, and then check this out. I'll just create a plane. Where's my plane? Oh, it's in there. So create this plane. Go to say face view, faces, and let's go with these three faces, and then I'm just gonna extrude it. Bam! Look at that. So this makes it so much faster. Yep. So yeah, and oh, not that one, and also edge loops. So I can add more edges to my meshes. Oops, I need top view. So like right here, Control E. I did it as Control E because Control E is not set, and I can add more edge loops. So yeah, just shortcut keys. That's the thing. It makes things so much faster instead of going up here. Okay, where is extrude? There it is. I'll have to go to faces first. Faces, extrude. There. You know, it's like, oh, I'm still on edge. Oops, face is there. Select the face, and then I can extrude. This is so freaking tedious, right? Instead, just bam, 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 and then Z. Boom. So, shortcut keys. Learn them or program them yourself, but use them. That's all.